Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. These replay sippy cups have been a real hit in our house. First of all, they're really fun. They come in all these fun little colors with corresponding caps. And the fun thing is that you can, mix the colors of the caps and the bottles, just to whatever mood the baby's in that day. So that's a fun feature. Also, I really like the fact that it's really simple to use. So you just unscrew the lid and there's this little piece, a little plastic piece here. You just pull this out for washing and wash the other pieces just separately. Everything can wash separately in the dishwasher, which is awesome. But I like this piece because it allows it not to drip whenever the baby's throwing the cup around. It's not gonna be leaking. And it's really simple to put in. So you literally just pop it right over and it seals those two little spots and you're good to go. So I love that. I'll show you here. Nothing. That's fantastic. I can't stand when you have a sippy cup that you're carrying around in a bag and it's leaking all over the place. So that is fantastic. These are really cute cups. The soft siding on it makes it really, really nice for the babies to carry around. This has just been a real hit. We really love it. And that's our point of view.